Alright, I do have some bad news. The transmission in the giveaway car has just packed it in. So it is Saturday morning and I am super excited because, yes, that's right, you can see my WRX behind me. Now, you guys, if you follow me on Facebook, would already know that I've got this car back, but I finally got it back from the mechanics. It's been there for years and years and years and years. I don't really want to get into it because the mechanic did try and help me out getting the job done. I don't think he ever wants to do another one. Because it was just an absolute headache, but the engine has been rebuilt. I've now got to do some Ks to just run it in, then take it back there, they'll give it a service, then I've got to run it in for further, and then it'll go in for a tune. But I'm just excited to have it back. I'm going to hopefully take it for a drive. We're going to either go down the coast or go somewhere just to rack up some Ks, and yeah, I'm just so excited to have it back because I actually got this car resprayed a few years ago, well, probably 5 to 8 years ago now, I can't even know, we're just when the engine blew up. Yeah, got the car resprayed and it blew up as I was going to get the windows tinted. So that was a shame. And then I just had absolutely no luck getting engine replaced. I had got scammed on a motor and then bought some other motors and they were blown up. And then I ended up getting this one rebuilt. It was just an absolute headache, but I finally got my car back and I'm really excited about it. So at least I can start getting some content done on this car because we've still got a lot more to do on it. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. Also, I had some parts arrive to finish up the giveaway car. We're just over a week out from that finishing. So my idea is, if hopefully the VE giveaway goes well enough, and then I'm still toying on the fence whether I run my Statesman back to back and then finish that one up around Christmas time so that I can afford to then finish that SS wagon. So I don't really want to lose the Stato. I'll see how the VE goes first. If it doesn't do really well, I might just run like a cash only one or something before Christmas. I want to run one more. I'm just not sure what I'll run. Maybe I even buy a car to do it, but yeah, we'll see how that all goes. So I couldn't even believe it driving my WRX home the other night. I was just like, it didn't seem real. It drives great, you know, like exactly how I remember. There's a few little things and stuff. It's been off the road for a long time. It needs some stuff, there's something vibrating, whether it's exhaust or something in the back of the car or something. So yeah, we're going to look into that because I don't want to go for a drive tomorrow for hours and hours and hours with a vibration if I don't have to, but it's not leaking anything. It looks clean underneath. So that side of it's fine. Oh, I need a fill bung for that bloody SV6 and I went down to the wreckers. I found one place that was happy for me to have it. I just had to go there and take it off. I went down there, jacked up the car, got underneath, snapped my tool off in the thing. I'm back at square one. I've at least got that one out so I can fill up the transmission and take it for a drive and just make sure that it's selecting fine. If it's not and someone picks that car, I literally have zero time to fit another transmission in that car, but they're fairly easy to fit, so it's not such a big deal. But hopefully that's the issue because it did have a leak out of the transmission selector, which I fixed months ago, and then I tried to hit up a few companies to get a new fill bung so that I could just replace that and get it done, and then I literally dismissed that out of my head until the other day. I thought I'll chuck it on the hoist and check it over and see what else it needs, which I bought some link pins because I need to put some link pins in the front of it. Yeah, I was thinking about the stuff that it needed to get on the road and went, shit, I never actually ended up putting transmission fluid in it to check that it's fine. So hopefully I haven't shot myself in the foot there, and we will see. So I am still hoping that the person that wins that car picks the cash because I do actually kind of want to keep that car. Yes, it's a V6, but I wouldn't mind it being just tucked over there in the corner, just looking pretty. Because if it's sitting there, can't tell it's a V6, looks just like an SS. And a few people have commented going, well, I don't know why everyone's whinging. You're getting basically a car for nothing. And just throw a V8 in it yourself if you're that worried about it. But anyway, yeah, that's my little chit chat this morning. Should have my Calais back soon. I've got some pictures from Vegas, the panel beater, and he sent me some, the car's been fully resprayed now. It was going in to get the back bit resprayed because of the smash, and then I decided to get a few other things touched up, and before you know it, it's basically the paint job's worked its way around to the whole car. So the Calais has had a full respray, so we should hopefully get that back. That could even be in this video too if we're really lucky, but I doubt it. It'll probably be in the next one. But yeah, lots going on. I'm excited. Anyway, let's get into it. Alrighty, so I just got back from a drive. Yeah, and unfortunately the gearbox in the VE has just packed it in. It was driving mint. The guy that used to own this car actually got the transmission replaced. But what I think's happened is whoever installed the transmission didn't flush the trans lines, and so they put the new auto in, and the contaminants from the last transmission have gone into the new one, and unfortunately that has unfolded in me having a dud transmission. So yeah, I'm about to go on a drive with a buddy of mine. He's just rocked up. Yeah, we're gonna get the cars out and take the Rexy for a drive, and yeah, I just need to clear my head for the afternoon, and then I'll come back tomorrow and we will figure it out. My plan with the VE, as much as it sucks, I could go and get a second-hand transmission and just throw it in. If I could supply it myself, I'd be comfortable with doing that. But I'd want to buy a car. I'd need to find a SV6 that's, I don't know, for whatever reason the person's selling it cheap enough, but I can still drive it. Say it's got a dud motor, like the motor's not good, but the transmission's still good, and I could drive it to test it. I'd feel comfortable with fitting another transmission in this car for another person, because I know how to flush the lines and make sure that it's all good. But if I can't find that, I think I'm just going to have to suck it up and put a brand new transmission in it. So it's going to cost me between $6,500 and $8,500 by the look of it, depending on what shop I get to do it and how I'm going to go getting it done, because it's close to Christmas and everyone is booked out. So I'm going to try and call in some favors and see whether I can't get something to happen. For me, like the second-hand transmissions, if I go and buy one, are about $2,000. And for me, I'm just looking at it going, well, I'd rather spend the 6.5 and just know that I just drive it into, it gets towed to a shop and I'll be able to drive it back, and it comes with a full warranty, which means that whoever picks the car gets a full warranty with the new transmission. And yeah, it makes it even better car. It is frustrating for me, mainly because I've spent all the money on all this extra stuff, making it really blingy, because I thought that that was all I'm going to have to do, you know. But now I'm going to have to spend the big bucks on a new transmission. Because it's kind of one of you guys, I just want the car to be 100%. Like, if you pick the car, awesome. Like, the thing is too, someone might still pick the cash. I get to keep the car. It suits me having a new transmission in it anyway. It just sucks because it's such a big cost right at the moment when I've got so much other stuff going on that I've already talked about in this video. So yeah, jump on and buy some entries because you could be winning a VE with a brand new transmission. And but anyway, yeah, I appreciate you guys watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one.